Hello everyone, my name is Carlos. Today I'm gonna show you how to bind the Google Authenticator app to your Pionex account. Before we start, I would like to say that I speak Spanish and my English is not very good. I will talk very slowly so you guys can understand everything what I'm saying. Let's get started. The steps are very easy. We're going to our profile, account settings, and we choose the option Google Authenticator code. We tap set, and the first thing we are going to do is install the Google Authenticator. Once you have your Google Authenticator app, you can click continue. Pionex is gonna ask an email verification code. This step is very important, so I would like to give you some advices. Never lose this key or share this key to anyone. If someone gains access to this key, they can have access to your Pionex account, so be very careful. Also, if you keep this key and for some reason you lose your access to your phone, you can restore again your Google Authenticator using this key. In case you lose this key, you will have to contact Pionex support, and this may take sometimes a few days. So it's easier to just write down this key or keep it safe, and you can access anytime you want. We are going to copy the key, open our Google Authenticator app, add authenticator, we copy the key and we verify 672519. And done. Very easy. This last step you need to do it quickly, otherwise Pionex may send you an error message because you took very long time. So for security measures, Pionex will close the page or will give you an error message. So make sure to be very quick when you input your key and then you copy your code and put it in the Pionex web or Pionex app. So as you can see, it's very easy. We choose done, we go to account settings, and you can see that my email authentication and Google Authenticator are bound.